Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix connection is not secure or connection is not your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. So first of all I am going to show you like this. So whenever you click any websites like this, I am going to click on this. You will see here your connection is not private or your connection is not secure. So now I am going to show you how to fix that. Here you will see two options, advanced options and back to safety options. So if you want to fix this error, you will see why this error is happening, because this site is not secure. Here you will see this site is not secure. You will see that when you click that, here you will see your connection to this site is not secure. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. So and then if you want to really open this website, what you have to do is just click on advanced, and here you will see at the bottom proceed to this unsafe. Now just click on it. So when you click on this, so when you click on this, here you will see that this now this website has been opened. So like this you can fix this site is not secure, or like this that your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.